Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is going to be a very fun but busy day for me. First things first, I am reviewing a backdrop from U Backdrops. I already worked with them before and I absolutely love the quality of their backdrops. Amount of designs and styles that they sell on their website is mind-blowing. If you can't find anything that you like on their website, you can also customize your backdrop. I will link them in the description under the video. Also, I am taking this backdrop and going to the venue and setting up for a baby shower that is happening literally tomorrow, but this video is gonna go up on Tuesday next week. So all of the balloons that I will be using today, my client slash friend got it for me from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's valid for your first purchase and if you are a new customer to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Also, in this video, I will be showing you what I take with me when I am going and setting up for a client, because I've received a few questions about that, so stay tuned. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and let's go review the backdrop, gather everything, and leave to the venue. So you guys, who's ready to see this backdrop? The theme for this baby shower will be Winnie the Pooh. I already made one Garland Winnie the Pooh theme. It was a while ago. Now I'm doing it again with Winnie the Pooh backdrop from U Backdrops. So this is the package that I received from them. Right here you can see the design of this backdrop. It's nicely packaged, and let me open this up. So you guys, this backdrop is very soft and velvety like. I absolutely love their backdrop. So let's unfold this. Backdrop is stunning, beautiful colors. Look at this. I'm gonna hang it for you in just a second, but just for now, look at this. How beautiful is that? I'm so happy. Let me go and pin, you guys, pin this backdrop to my backdrop, just because I don't want to take my fabric down, because anyways I am taking this and leaving to the venue in about like 15 minutes. But if you want to hang this backdrop on your pipes, they do have this slit over here, so you just put your pipes through this slit and voila, your backdrop will be hanging just like that. You don't have to pin anything. Quick up close of this backdrop, you guys. I absolutely love the quality of this backdrop. Colors, how everything's printed, everything is super beautiful, and these words, so adorable. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. That is so and absolutely true. You can absolutely take an iron or a steamer and iron your creases out, which I will be doing at the venue. I will be taking my hand steamer, I will link it in the description under the video, and I will steam this out and make it look very nice. And I don't know if you can see, this backdrop is like velvet like, and it's shiny a little bit, just a tiny bit. It gives you that really beautiful shine, and it's not like your satin shine, so it's totally beautiful. Let's pack this up and leave to the venue. You guys, the size of this Winnie the Pooh backdrop is 8 feet by 7 feet. So here, you guys, is what I am always packing with me before going to the venue. Today I'm trying something different. I took a simple small size suitcase because I usually take you know, my boxes from my shelf, and I don't want to do that, and this is very convenient. You take it, roll it into the venue, and you're good. So anyways, here is what I am taking. First things first, absolutely my balloon pump, must have, right? Then I am taking glue dashes or glue dots. Love these. They are the best quality glue dots I've ever tried. They will be linked in the description under the video. Then I am taking a box with safety pins and pins with pearls on top. You never know what's gonna happen and why I would need them, but I always like to have them with me. Once I went to create a wall for a client, and my frame that I took with me did not fit into the room because the room was lower than my frame. So I had to scratch and search through my pockets to find a safety pin. So I rather take some safety pins with me than, you know, run around and look for something like this to attach my balloons to the ceiling. Then I am taking a cord just in case if I would need to extend my inflator. I am also taking my hand pump, my apron. Apron is stuffed with a whole bunch of things. I have rubber bands because I never know what I want to do, what I want to use. Sometimes rubber bands are so much easier and so much faster to fill in spaces. I have my fishing line over here, some 260s. I don't think I will be using these 260s. I am taking 260s in white color. I'm still deciding if I want to use 260s or fishing line. And I always take a balloon tying tool with me. And of course, my backdrop that I will be using today. So that's all I am taking with me today. I'm not taking any balloons because all of the balloons that I need, they are already at the venue, because as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, my client slash friend bought all the balloons for me. So if anything else I will be putting in this case, I will let you know when I get to the venue. And with all this, I am always taking my step ladder with me. Hi. Kids are staying at grandma's, and let's go. I am going to my local Walmart to pick up some 20-pound fishing line because I'm out. I'm out of Walmart. You guys, they're out of fishing line. Any kind of 20-pound, 30-pound fishing line. Okay, I guess I have to shop online for fishing line now as well. I guess everyone's out and fishing and exploring the outdoors nowadays. So Amazon's gonna be my way to shop now. I'll go and start my balloon garland. I want to iron some of the wrinkles out with my steamer over here, and then for the rest of the video I will be doing a voiceover. So here, you guys, is how this backdrop looks on a frame. It was a little bit of a challenge for me because I had to bend some of my backdrop and pin, so I had trouble to kind of even everything out. If you get a backdrop with proper measurements for your backdrop, you guys, amazing looking backdrops. And for now, let's start making our balloon garland. Like usual, I started inflating my balloons. I inflated my 24-inch balloons individually and tied them individually. I inflated my 11-inch balloons into different sizes and paired them together. Here I am making a whole bunch of clusters out of my pairs. Just because these balloons are translucent, I decided to use fishing line to construct my balloon garland. Recently, I started constructing my balloon garlands straight on my backdrops instead of on the floor. Something new for me, it works for me, and I like it. As soon as I had really good base, I started filling in spaces on my balloon garland. I tried to use my rubber bands to fill in spaces, but I could see them through my translucent balloons, so I ended up tying my extra clusters to my garland with fishing line. At this point, I was running out of my fishing line, so I ended up using some glue dashes from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company
I love these glue dashes because they are amazing quality and they're super sticky. Decided to make a second smaller balloon garland for the other side just to balance everything out. And this balloon garland I will explain in my final walkthrough.
Final walkthrough through everything that I've done today. I absolutely love everything that I see here. Oh, you guys, it's so adorable. I love the colors. I love the quality of these balloons, you guys. Metallics, my second favorite brand of balloons that I love to use. These balloons never disappoint. Love them so much. Awesome quality. None of the balloons popped on me while I was inflating. No holes in balloons. I popped one balloon, 5-inch balloon, while I was making this section over here. This was last second decision. We originally wanted to place white balloons with these greenery at the bottom, and we thought that white balloons kind of looking out of place with everything that is going on over there, and I made this in literally like 10 to 15 minutes and it was ready. This garland is above the sweets table, so obviously sweets will be here tomorrow. I absolutely love this foam Winnie the Pooh. I think they ordered somewhere, I'm not sure. I will ask and I will try link it in the description under the video if you're going to be interested. I ended up using 2 bags of 5-inch balloons and 2 bags of 11-inch balloons right here. 1 bag of yellow, 1 of blue, and yeah, a few of 24 inches, and it looks very cute. I love it. Well, this is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!